Chat.
Everybody's got eye in your protection, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, we're going hot.
You guys also.
Okay. Be safe, chat. Be safe.
Squeezed in, so whenever you pull trigger, you don't like lose accuracy or whatever.
It's gonna be ringing like a goddamn bell.
Is I loaded it up all the way already.
Oh, you did?
Nah, you're just a pussy.
Okay.
Make sure that magazine's seated all the way.
You're good.
Okay.
Right, I'm over left.
Is it loud with the headset on?
Just like that, yep. Feet shoulder width apart.
You know, then
Nose over toes, lean
I
forward.
think it's like a firing line or
We're
whatever.
going to put that dot right on top of the target.
Yeah. I don't have to cock it back one more time, right?
Nope, it's already ready.
Okay, it's ready to go?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh god.
You're hitting right below the neck.
Yeah.
Fan.
I mean, I'm aiming for the head.
Are you?
I am. Like, the dot is right on the head.
So pull the trigger smooth.
Alright.
Yeah,
Not too bad, actually, like this.
Oh.
You're anticipating the recoil.
Okay.
This man couldn't hit the floor with a brick. Look at this lib aim, dude. This guy stinks!
Am I still in?
Yeah, you're still.
At the neck.
I think it's when you're squeezing.
This is Joe Biden's America, folks.
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. Oh,
Alright,
that
so
was
see
right
this
in
slide
the
locked
dome.
open?
That one's right in the kill base.
Just release the magazine.
Right in the old kielbasa.
What'd you think?
It's fun.
That's
It's
what Bernie
a
did
nice
when-
gun.
So mega little bad.
Who's next?
Me. Can I try? Let's
Go Lex!
Do it.
Give it first. Cycle after you.
Rifles?
Let's do it.
If anybody wants to shoot the pistols, feel free.
Yeah?
Okay? Yep.
Okay, cool.
Just let me know if you got questions. Please be safe. Make sure the barrel's
I'll
charged,
stop.
okay?
Watch out, there's a bug on it. I'm not gonna be able to hit shit with this.
Yeah, you will.
No, I can't see. I don't have my glasses.
Can I wash my hands somewhere?
Got a sink right there.
Thank you.
You ready?
Hell yeah.
Alright, let me see you hold the gun first.
I have no idea how to hold this grip.
Yeah, unfortunately, you just gotta, just like that. Bring this hand up here.
Is it loaded?
Thumb over the top. No,
No.
not yet.
What?
Thumb over the top.
Thumb over the top?
Yeah. You see that dot?
Yeah, I gotta get down for it though.
Which eye are you using?
Right?
Bring this up.
What?
Bring this like right there. It's not gonna have much recoil.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah, I see it.
Take
I
this
shouldn't get
shot.
right? So, I've never shot with a grip like this before. But I probably shouldn't get like super, like I shouldn't put my face on it.
Yeah, that's okay. You're supposed to put your cheek right here.
Oh.
You want me to grip it and show you kind of how to hold it?
Here.
So I bring it up into right between my chest and shoulder.
Yeah.
Put my thumb over the top and I bring my face down so my cheek is right here.
Oh, okay, so you do put your cheek on it.
Yeah.
Okay. Excuse me. Dude, these are so fucking
No,
light,
no,
it's
there's no time
crazy.
in that.
Oh, because I went on Google
What's
and
what?
said you guys are open.
Yeah, the pistol ranges.
Oh, just the pistol range?
Yeah.
Damn. There's nothing we can do, like, just to pay whatever we gotta pay just to get
Yeah,
them.
this is a private event actually. Sorry about that.
Alright.
Fuck. Okay.
Private, bro.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Take this. Yep. And push this.
Push this.
There you go. Take that
Okay.
safety off. Got it for you. Ready to go. Put that dot right on top of the target.
Okay.
Jeez.
Aim for one of the circle gongs.
Uh-huh.
You can feel the force.
Yeah, you did. You hear the hit?
Yeah.
Good. Nice.
Felt like it was like ricochet.
Best fan, move to the left. You're not thinking the same thing.
How do we drop it again? Here?
Right here, yep.
My God. These guys are cool. Come shoot.
So we going on the side.
Oh yeah.
Chance,
It's like
you're the best human in the world with you to shoot. Willneff.
Do you have to chamber around with
What's
this?
up?
I'm gonna shoot the
You have to chamber around with
I'm gonna shoot
22.
the sniper.
What's up?
Is that a sniper?
My name called? Oh.
Okay, so how do we do this again? We
That.
put it
Go
in.
forward with your right hand.
What?
Use your right hand directly.
Oh, right hand direct the bolt?
Yep.
Where I put it back here, but while I'm holding, can I just
Yep. Push it forward.
push it forward?
In.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah.
There you go.
It's nice.
Safety's already off, so it's ready to go.
So now it's on, right?
Now the safety's on.
You said that it's not like super. It doesn't kick back super hard.
No. Just keep it nice and tight up against your shoulder.
That was funny, dude. You.
Is that a hit?
Aim for something near the back.
That didn't hit. It was supposed to.
I can't.
Chill.
Need to get taller?
I thought you were going for one of the.
Is that the problem? You think?
Can he? Make it shorter.
Yeah, it might be too tall actually.
Okay. Yeah, just adjust it to whatever you need.
Yeah, take a couple of them off, maybe. I'll take 2 off.
Dude,
Can't put the safety on. Is this around with you?
The safety is a crunch.
Okay, I'm gonna put it down for a second.
Yeah. Let's do it right there.
Like I can't get over the fucking.
Well, maybe one more.
What?
Maybe take one more out.
this gun's a lot.
Okay.
I think he's aiming at the circles, but I think he's chilling.
What?
They aiming at the circles, right?
No, I'm trying to aim at something back there. Okay, safety's off. You'll see what I mean when you sit here. It's like hard to fucking shoot.
Yeah. Like looking through the scope is weird.
Oh, which eye are you using?
Right.
So it's wonky.
Oh, shit. Okay. Well, you just
Might be too
fucking...
far back.
What?
Now it might be too far back.
No,
You
no,
can
no,
adjust
no.
it. Is that good?
I think it's better.
Yo, this is sick. This is great. It looks so good in this.
Are they taking on the AR yet?
What's up?
Yeah, he shot it.
Okay.
You want to try it?
Yes.
Yo, Hasan, what are you aiming at?
Okay.
One of the back ones.
Which one?
All right.
Which one?
Like all the way in the back.
But which one?
The black on the top right.
Top right.
Am I
I see it.
Yeah.
Oh! Nice!
Let's go!
The shot scared me and I missed it.
Dude,
Nice.
you can feel like the air pressure change. Like whenever he shoots,
It rattles your chest.
yeah, it feels good.
Wait, oh, is it down?
No.
No.
It's still up.
You want to shoot at the same time? You okay with him shooting next to you?
Yeah, I don't give a fuck.
Alright.
Go for it.
Oh yeah, I'll try it.
You wanna go? Yeah, you go first. You go
You
first.
can shoot from right there.
Because he was gonna go before me.
I'll try from right here, son.
Oh, there's not. Oh, this is out. Dude,
I'm like ambidextrous. I don't know from which friend to shoot with.
You're fine. You're sit here too.
oh, we get a racket every time. What the fuck am I doing? That's why I was like,
I think you have to rock it in.
It's locked in. Oh god. Hey, you guys are making a lot of boom booms over here.
Big boom booms.
woo! Dude, I'm nailing with this, dude.
Does it have a big kick?
What's up?
Does it have a big kick?
It's a little baby kick. It's not like super. The problem is like I don't fit on the chair, so
do I press my
like I can't. I'm trying to lean over while putting it in a safe position so it doesn't like push back too hard.
You got it.
That's why I love it. With the 22, you see how it's like how it's out. The rest of these work the exact same way. You're shooting a bolt action rifle and an air rifle.
Can I try standing?
Yeah. No.
Why?
I don't know.
Austin's scared. You're making him anxious.
I think you got a great shot sitting down. I was just.
honestly, you're 2 for 2. Let's not ruin our mojo standing.
Can I try standing?
Yeah, I think you look good.
Do I hold it in the same way?
Well, you want to keep your hand up there where it is right now.
Like this?
Yeah.
Like when I'm shooting standing?
Yeah.
Okay, let me shoot another one and then before I rack it standing.
Does the barrel get hot?
It won't get that hot. This one will get more hot than that one.
Smell that shit. Smells like
Okay,
fireworks.
now I'm going for.
Then
Wait. Now wait, there's like living things going up the fucking.
Don't shoot the squirrels. Don't shoot.
Yeah, I'm not.
it's funny the way.
Remember, guys, grass is not trash.
Where's the squirrels?
Damn, we have a bunch of
Aim relief.
There's squirrels?
Dude, this is awesome.
How was it? Bro, that's terrifying. That's a good thing, though. You should be scared of guns.
I'm terrified.
I'll bring out another couple ARs for you guys. Okay.
That's what? Ben, what did he say?
He's gonna bring
Bringing out a couple more ARs, I think.
Yeah. I think that's a good idea.
pistol ammo?
Bro, we got.
That's correct, by the way.
No, the posture just looks funny because the XUC because he's still like.
Oh, the.
He's still like. We got the Goblino posture. That's why I thought it was funny.
Watch out, I'm not.
How do you lock it in after you pull it?